Practically speaking, the mind is a wonderful tool, but when it comes to matters of the heart, it's limited. What I found to be very true is that it is supremely relieving to just let everything go, including my efforts. Perhaps this moment is more perfect than I could have ever created. Perhaps this moment is more complete than any human interpretation. Perhaps my own circumstance is none other than exactly as it is. It is the idea in the mind that says something's wrong with the moment. And I am in intense appreciation of that fact. Where does wisdom emerge? Is it in the noise of the psychological idea and self-image? Or can it be found in the whisper, the gentle, natural quietude that is never apart from experience?